Good morning, teachers. As you all know that we have received a Google form in which we need to share the link for the materials or any presentation or any type of notes that you have prepared for the children and that you have shared in last 10-15 days. So now I am going to tell you how you can share the link of that material in that Google form. First of all, go to your drive, Google Drive, select any email ID which you want to select. Then you can upload the content here in this Google Drive. Click on that plus button, create a folder in which you want to keep everything for a particular class. You can create the folder class wise also. Now when you go inside that folder, you can click on upload button so that you can upload the data inside. So I am going to show you. I have created a folder for 11th class. In that, another folder I have created, and in that I have uploaded using this plus button which is in the bottom right corner. I have shared 4 files. Now how I am going to share these 4 files or the material which I have prepared for 11th class in that Google form is by using this 3 buttons which are on the top right corner. First you need to upload the files, then you need to share it. So click on the 3 buttons, 3 dots which are on the top right corner. Make sure that the link sharing option should be on. When you click it, it will become off. When you click it again, it will become on. Now click on copy link. Go to the Google form, paste the link here in the link to the material. And whenever you are filling a form, because as it is mentioned that you can fill multiple forms, you can copy the same folder link there. If you want to share the specific file, you can do like this. Click on the 3 dots which are for the file, copy the link of the file and then go to the Google Drive and share that link. So like this you can share the material by keeping it in a folder inside your Google Drive. I hope you understood this. Thank you. Good morning, teachers. As you all know that we have received a Google form in which we have to share the e-content. That means whatever material or presentation or any e-content which you have shared with the children in last 10-15 days, that you need to share in that Google form. But we have to share the link in the Google form. So now I am going to tell you how you can share your material in that Google form and how you can put that link in your form. So first of all, any PPT, any material which you have prepared, put it in your Google Drive. You can use laptop also to upload everything in the Google Drive. So if you want to upload any material or any file or any PPT, then click on the plus button. Good morning, teachers. As you all know that we have received, you can use laptop also to upload everything in the Google Drive. So if you want to upload any material or any file, in that folder I have uploaded many files. You can use laptop also to upload everything in the Google Drive. So if you want to upload any material or any file or any PPT, then click on the plus button which is in the bottom right corner. You can create new folder, and inside that folder you can upload anything which you want to share it. So I'm directly going to upload a file.